Hello everyone, and in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can link your lost media in Capcut app. So it is Capcut PC, and if you find a file like this, this means your file is missing. So may have been deleted or may it still be in your folder. So you can try this way to view your files and restore them. So just click on the lost media and select link to media. Alright, the file is in this folder, which is download, and all you have to do, you can copy the file name, and then you can go to explore and just search passive, and here you can um, move to download, okay, or you can copy or copy paste, sorry, select download, that's here, and go to your CapCut again. So it's back. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.